Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to freeze columns in Notion. So this is a very easy tutorial. Let's just say you have created tons of tables here, columns right here. And then as you can see, if I move this to this part, obviously I can't see the first or second column. And I wanted to see that because I want to see any connection or progress. So I need to see the first or second and third column. So what I'm going to do here is you're going to freeze the column that you want to see, even if you move this slide to the very last portion. So to freeze a column, it's so easy. All you have to do is just simply right-click the column or the very first one here, for example, this one, and scroll down till you see this freeze up to column. So as you can see, if I freeze this column, then for this slide to here, I can still see the first column because it's freeze. So you can continually do whatever you want and you will still see the first column right here. So that's it. So the good thing is that you cannot just freeze one column. You can freeze the second, the third, the fourth column if you wanted to. All you have to do is to just simply do the same method. You just have to tap this one here and then a freeze column. And you will see here, I can see the first, the second, and the third column. If you want to unfreeze, very easy. All you have to do is to tap it again, and you will see this unfreeze column. And everything will go back to normal. Okay, so that's it. You just have to right-click and then tap freeze column. If you want to unfreeze, you just have to right-click again or tap or right-click and then tap this unfreeze column. As easy as that. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.